Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying credentials because a wrong password blocks sign-in. Once done, connect to a reliable network and temporarily disable VPN or proxy so Apple servers can authenticate you. Next, restart the device and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to clear network glitches. These quick steps remove the most common blocks. Do them now so subsequent troubleshooting targets real errors rather than transient connectivity or credential issues. Now you reset network and account settings to eliminate misconfigurations that prevent sign-in. First, reset network settings to clear saved Wi-Fi profiles and DNS issues. This won't delete data, but will require rejoining networks. Then sign out of your Apple ID in settings and sign back in after about 30 seconds to refresh tokens. Make sure your device runs the latest iOS so compatibility issues aren't blocking authentication. Also, confirm date and time are correct. Since to finish, force quit the App Store and relaunch it so cached errors clear. If that fails, remove the Apple ID from the device and re-add it using verification from Appleid. Apple. Calm to ensure credential integrity. If sign-in still fails, back up your device and perform an erase and restore to eliminate deep system corruption. One troubleshooting tip: if you hit persistent errors, try signing in on another device to determine whether the issue is account-side or device-specific before erasing anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.